Hey everybody, how's it going? Okay, we have a box here. I got some Happy Mail from my friend Karen in Swift Current. She told me to open this one first. She sent me a couple boxes full of clothes that she went through her nursery downsizing, so she sent them to me, some of the stuff to me. So oh, I can't wait to see, but look at the flowery dress. Oh my goodness. Isn't that pretty? Oh, oops, I almost thought I cut it. I was trying to be very careful cutting it open. Oh my goodness. Isn't that a pretty dress with the flowers? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I don't know if fit Angeline or fit April. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to invest in some more children's hangers. That is beautiful. Thank you, Karen. This is beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh wow, look at this. Joan Mitchell. Oh wow. Another dress for Evangeline. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I'm gonna see if maybe if I find, I don't know, do I have a sweater that could go underneath this? That would work. She needs a white sweater and she could wear this. Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you. It's black with black and white with black and white butterflies. That's pretty. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. This probably might fit April because it just looks like a small 3. This probably will fit April. Wow. That is just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the flowers on that. Oh, embroidered flowers. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at this fun one. Oh, look at that fun one. Oh, it's Mickey Mouse. Or Minnie Mouse, sorry. 3T. Oh, it's a top. Thank you. Thank you. It's either that or it's going to be a top for April. Oh, thank you so much. That would go nice with some tights on it. Oh, and here's one with little bloomers. That's pretty. Oh, wow, look at that. With embroidered tulips on there. You see? Isn't that beautiful? Samara. I've never heard of these. These must be ordered online. 2T. Oh, that's for April. Isn't that beautiful? Or even for Willow. Oh, Willow would look so beautiful in that. With the bloomers. For sure. Even maybe the mini dress. That might even fit Willow. Oh wow, thank you so much, Karen. It's beautiful. I love it. Okay, and we have a pair of boots. Oh my god. Size 5. I don't know who they will fit. Oh, they're beautiful. Look at those. Maybe they'll fit, I don't know. Oh no. 3-month Joseph? I know I get his big feet in there. Or maybe the girls. That would be nice. Oh, thank you so much for these. They're beautiful. Look at that. Not even a scratch on them. Babies grow up so fast, don't they? They grow up so fast, they don't even get to wear their boots out. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the tread on them. Wow. Thank you so much for those. And by the way, thank you for my boots. Yay, I have winter boots. If they fit. They're size 8s. I'll have to take them apart and take the laces off. But thank you so much for these. Let's see if I can get my food. Oh, they got these tie things. Wow, that's interesting. Well, oh, okay. We'll try. Let's see. I'll see if I can get my one foot in. If not, I'll have to cut those. I'll have to cut those strings. Oh no, they work. Oh, thank you. I'll only be able to put one pair of socks in there, but thank you. That'll work for shoveling. Oh, my feet do fit, but they do touch the end, so I won't be able to put a thick sock in there. But yeah, thank you so much. These will work perfect for when I have to go shovel. Thank you, hon. Thank you, dear. I appreciate it. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching my box opening, Happy Mail opening. Thank you for the beautiful dresses. Oh, they're just gorgeous. For sure. I can't wait to put them in these. You know, I really can't. This one I could probably put a long sleeve underneath it, and because it's black and white, I can make it fallish. But they're just gorgeous. Willa needs to get changed, so I think I'm gonna put her in this. I think I'll put her in this when I get her out of her Halloween outfit. I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's got little sparklies on there and everything. Oh, thank you so much. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for this beautiful Happy Mail. And thank you, Karen, for being my friend. Thanks, dear. Bye.